Many people can sense that something is changing, but they don't yet have language for it. The coming shift is an invitation to seek the Lord more deeply and to journey through Scripture together, exploring what God may be revealing in this hour and what it means for His people. I believe God is drawing His people into greater intimacy, greater clarity, and a deeper unity with Him than many have yet imagined. It's not a journey of fear, it's a journey of awakening, preparation, and transformation. If you feel that hunger stirring within you, I want to invite you to take this journey with me. The book and audiobook for The Coming Shift are available now, and soon I'll be launching an online course and podcast where we'll walk through the message chapter by chapter together, sharing insights, asking questions, and creating space to seek the Lord as a community. You don't have to have everything figured out, but if you sense the Lord drawing you deeper, this invitation is for you.